Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make a potato fry, a Sri Lankan potato fry. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, a video or a short actually. So I'm going to chop these onions off first. This is a very easy recipe again, not a lot of ingredients, lots of spices and boiled potato. This is very tasty as well. You can eat it with roti, rice, whatever you want, and it really does taste good. So I'm gonna cut these onions into pieces and put it into this bowl. And if you also want to connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, all that information is in the description box below for you. So as you can see, I cut off that piece on the onion because I really don't like to eat it, and I usually cut it off anyways. And then once I cut these onions off, I'm going to cut or chop some ginger as well and garlic as well, so you will see those in a bit. So if you're liking these videos, let me know in the comments below, and if you want to see more Sri Lankan curries as well. I just cook whatever I like, so whenever I want to or feel like, I put a video of it. So let me know if you want to see more of these. So I'm going to chop these ginger into little pieces and I'll add it to the potato later. And I'm going to cut few of these garlic and I'm going to chop those off as well and set it aside. And I'll show you, I'm going to use the Instapot to boil the potatoes, but as you know, you can usually boil it with some water in a pot. You just have to cover the potatoes if you're just boiling potatoes in a pot with water and a little bit of salt. So I'm going to use the Instapot, so you don't have to use a lot of water because it's going to pressure cook it. So you're just going to add the potatoes into the Instapot pot and then add a little bit of water just to cover the bottom area of the container, and then you can put it into the Instapot and you will see I'm going to add few minutes. Usually for rice it's 3 minutes in the Instapot. For this though, you have to add a little more because you want it a little mushy but not too much. So for this I'm going to just dry the bottom of the pot. I don't like to put the wet pot in because it is electric after all. And I'm going to cover the lid. I'm going to set it to pressure cook, and I'm going to add more than 3 minutes. It's set to 3 minutes now because we eat a lot of rice, and rice amount of minutes for the rice is 3 minutes. I'm going to set it to 10 minutes here, and it will be enough, and it will boil the potato just the right amount. And these are the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll be using Maldivian fish or dried fish as well, and a lot of spices. As you see, you don't need a lot of ingredients. So this now is boiled. You can check it with a fork. You can stick a fork into the potato, and if it goes in really easily, you know it's boiled correctly. So as you can see here, it's not too mushy and it's the right amount. So I'm going to leave the, what do you call it? Well, the skin. I don't know why I forgot that word. Anyways, the potato skin, because it is a nice red color. So I just want to leave it. Usually in Sri Lankan curry, you peel off the skin. But I'm just going to leave it because we're going to eat it with roti today. And I'm going to use coconut oil. I'm going to add, well, in here in Canada, because it's cold, it's hardened. So you put a piece of coconut oil, but in Sri Lanka, it'll just be oil. So you add a little bit of oil into it and you let it boil, or like let it become liquidy before you add in your onions, and you just let the onions be there until it becomes a little red and caramelized. So you're just going to mix it with that oil, and and then later on we'll add some spices and the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add the ginger, the garlic, and the Maldivian fish into this, as you see here, because it adds into that onion flavor as well, and it's going to blend it all together and give that flavor. So you can see that the onions are a little caramelized right now, so I'm going to put some fenugreek seed. Well, if you are Sri Lankan and if you are watching this and if you don't usually use these lots of spices in it, you don't have to, but I'm just going to add a lot of spices because I like it. It's really up to you. This is the way I make it though. It changes from time to time, but whatever I have I put if I think it tastes good. So I also added cinnamons, as you saw here, cinnamon stick, and then cumin as well, a little bit, and also roasted or unroasted curry powder into this. I'm going to add a little bit more of curry powder because curry powder makes the whole difference when it comes to making curry. And I'm going to use pepper as well. I'm going to put some pepper in it. You can put whole peppers as well, like the black balls if you like, or just a pepper powder. And this is spicy. We like spicy food, especially Sri Lankan people, so I'm gonna make it spicy. I'm gonna, if you want, you can add a little bit of salt here now as well. And I'm also going to add chili flakes because it really does taste good when you add chili flakes to this. And you can also add chili powder as well if you like. So I'm going to mix all that in and fry it a little bit. Make sure you have the exhaust fan on when you're frying this, and a little bit of oil in the pan, otherwise you're going to cook forever if it fries and if it burns. And you're going to fry it a little bit more, and then we're going to add some turmeric. Like in the last video as well, I added a little bit of turmeric. We eat a lot of turmeric in Sri Lanka and it's really good for you, and so I'm going to add it to this as well, and it gives that yellow color to the potatoes as well, and it gives a nice taste to it. So, and I'm also going to add a little bit of chili powder, so paprika or chili powder into this. I know I already added the chili flakes, but I'm going to add the chili powder and some salt as well. So you can see I added a little bit, about 12 tablespoons, because I believe I have 12 potatoes in here, around 12 potatoes. So it's a lot of potatoes. So you need a little bit of salt because it's a lot of onions as well. And I'm going to mix it all in, and then I'm going to add the chopped potatoes into this and fry it a little bit more so that all the essence of the flavor of the onions and everything goes into the potatoes, and it gives that nice flavor. So as you see here, it's a very, very easy recipe to make, and it doesn't take that long to make as well. Just have to wait until the potatoes boil, and also it's easy and not a lot of ingredients goes into this. And this is how it looks, and you can eat it with rice, or you can eat it with roti, or whatever you like really, or you can just eat it as a potato fry. Tastes so good, and you can put more Maldivian fish if you like to make it taste even better. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you love this video as well. Don't forget to check out my other videos as I put here, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also request something for me to draw or to do by commenting below. I will do it for you if I can do it, for sure. And let me know what you think of this video, and if you want to see more of these videos in the upcoming days as well. So then I hope you have a great day today. I will see you next time. Bye.